Hello, dear students. Today we'll discuss about the law of conservation of momentum, or you can say conservation of momentum. Simply, you can say conservation of momentum. What does the conservation of momentum says? Conservation of momentum. It says that, or it states that when two or more bodies having different velocities collide with each other, when two or more bodies having different velocities collide with each other, the total momentum before collision and after collision remains same. Conservation of momentum says that when two or more bodies having different velocities collide with each other, and the total momentum before collision and after collision remains same. Or you can say, or you can say that the momentum before collision and after collision of two objects remains same provided no external unbalanced force acts upon them. Here you can also add provided no external force acts upon them, or you can say unbalanced force. This is the statement of the conservation of momentum. Now I will explain it. The momentum before collision and after collision of two objects remains same provided no external unbalanced force acts upon them. That is known as same or unchanged. I will now explain these statements with an example. For example, according to the statement, if a body 1 having mass m1 and having velocity, it is the mass m1 and velocity u1, for example, it moves with a velocity u1. The name of the body is A. Another body having different mass, another body B having mass m2 and velocity is u2. When they collide, that means both the bodies get together for a short duration of time or for a fixed duration of time, A and B, then according to the third law of motion, that to an every reaction there is equal and opposite reaction. That means the force exerted by the body A on B is same but opposite in direction as the body B exerts force on body A. That means F force of A on B is equal to force of or force over B by A, like this. But that force is in opposite direction. It is in opposite direction. That is why I wrote here negative sign. Negative means it is in opposite direction. This force towards this side and that force is towards that side. That is, B exerts force on A in opposite direction. Now it is the third law of motion. When the collision happens, these two bodies will definitely get separated. They will get separated. That means one body having this, another body having this. The collision will not remain as such, but it will remain for short duration of time. Then it is body A and body B. After collision, though mass will remain same, m1, but having velocity is different. That means velocity having v2 or v1 for A body, and for B body mass m2 and v2. That means after collision there are masses are same but the velocities are different. Now how? That means before collision and after collision there is no change in their momentum. There is no change in their momentum. Before collision and after collision it is same. Now how we will derive this conservation of momentum? Now you can look to this FAB, that means force of A on B and then force of B on A. FAB is equal to minus FBA. Is it clear? No doubt. Then according to second law of motion, force is equal to second law. What does the second law says? Force is equal to mass into acceleration. And you know that acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity divided by t. You have to remember these two equations. Now we will put this value to that equation. That is, FAB means m, like this, m1, or you can say m1 v1 minus u1 divided by t, because it is the initial mass is same of my body A before and after collision. v1 is this and u1 is this, is equal to minus m2, that means second body having v2 minus u2 divided by t. Is it clear? Now this equation, I will write it here. I will write the equation here. m1 v1 minus u1 divided by t is equal to minus m2 v2 minus u2 divided by t. Then t and t will get cancelled. What will happen? m1, it is the product m1 v1 minus m1 u1 is equal to minus m2 v2 m2 v2 minus minus is plus, that means plus m2 u2. Is it clear? Next point, then I will move this one to that side. That means m1 v1, it is minus here. If I will put it to this side, it will become plus m2 v2 is equal to, here it is m2 u2, here it is m1 u1, but it is minus. If I will transfer it to that side, it will become plus m1 u1. If I will arrange this like, I will bring that whole side to this side, there is no any problem with that. That means m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. This is the law of conservation of momentum. Hence we proved that m1 v1 plus m2 u2, that means the two bodies having initial velocities, when they collide, they have the same momentum, m1 v1 plus m2 v2. This was, hence we derived the equation, that means initial momentum, when the two bodies collide, their initial momentum and the final momentum after collision, that is same, unchanged. This is the conservation of momentum. Thank you.